Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video we will be learning how to check your stats in Shadowgun Legends. To check your stats in Shadowgun Legends, first of all, go ahead and open up your Shadowgun Legends application on your mobile device, and once you're in the main homepage or the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on your username at the top of the screen on the left corner. You will then be able to see the character overview screen. Now click on stats at the bottom right in order to view your character's stats on the page. Here you will be able to see a range of stats such as total kills, P versus P matches won or lost, mission completions, fame level, and so on. And there you will be able to know exactly where to check your performance in Shadowgun Legends. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.